This is your maths introduction for year 3 and year 4. Okay, we're going to start with year 4. I'm going to flip the screen, explain what you've got to do. First of all, if you haven't watched the video already, go back and watch that and then come back to this video if that's okay. Right, I'm going to show you your sheet for today. Okay, year 4, we are continuing with our perimeter work. Okay, this time not all our rectangles are going to be on a grid. Okay, first one is to help you out. Again, remember what perimeter is. It is the length of each side. So if we walk around the whole shape, how far would we have gone? Okay. Next one, type of question. We've got Tommy's working out the perimeter of some rectangles. Okay. So what Tommy's done, he knows, using his knowledge of rectangles, that the opposite sides are the same. So if this one is 8 centimeters, he knows that this one is 8 centimeters. If he knows this side is 5 centimeters, he knows this side is 5 centimeters. So what Tommy's done, he's gone 8 and 5, which is 13. Now, because we want 2 of those sides and 2 of that side, we can just times it by 2 and it gets to 26. Now you're going to use the same method to answer these two questions here. So looking at this side, so if we know that one's 5, we know this one's 5. Because we know this is 4 centimeters, we know this one is 4 centimeters. So using the same method, try and fill out these calculations for me here. Okay. Question 2. Okay, again, some of them will label each side for us, so it's nice and easy. You've just got to add it up. And this is where we use our knowledge of rectangles again to work out what each side is and then add them all together. Remember to use your written methods if you get a little stuck. Okay. And then down onto the reasoning questions. Okay. At the bottom, each of these rectangles perimeter of 24 centimeters. Work out the missing lengths and labels and label the diagrams. Okay, so if we know that each one of these equals 24, now we know that this side is 10, which means we know this side is 10. So that means 10 add 10 is 20. How many centimeters we've got left to use? And then we've got to divide that between two sides. Okay, so that is how you work out this type of question. Okay, good luck, year 4. Now I'm going to flip the screen back. Okay, and then we're going to look at the year 3 questions. Okay. Okay, year 3. Okay, we'll continue our work on money. Okay, now it's using our part whole. Now, if you remember what our part whole model is, these two circles add together to create our total, our whole. Okay, so again, adding our amounts to create how many pence and how many pounds. Okay, so remember there's 100p in £1. Okay, so same type of question down here. Number 2. Dora buys 2 birthday cards. Okay, 2 prices. Work out the calculations. Adding your pounds together and adding your pence together. Okay. Again, some different style questions, but exactly the same thing. Add your pence, add your pounds. Okay. Brett has £6.55p. Aisha has £2.55. Now it says how much money do they have all together? So when we talk about all together, we're talking about adding amounts together. Okay, so be careful, look for keywords to help you so you know what operation to use. And then as you move down, again, some more word problems for you to try and solve. Our bar models, if you remember, the bottom bars add up to create the longer bar at the top. Okay, so again, there is some adding here. Now these you've got to be careful of because as you can see, 99p, so that's nearly £1. Okay, so this one is going to be a little different to some of the other ones. So you add the pounds together, add your pence are going to go above £1. So try and think what you've got to do there. Okay, let me flip the screen back. Okay, now today, if you complete all those ones and you find them okay, I've set you a challenge, a true or false challenge, okay, which I'll quickly share with you now. Okay, here's your 4 one. Okay, the perimeter of the shape is 38 centimeters. Okay, so have a look what it's been given. Look very carefully, and you've got to tell me if you think it's true or false and explain why. Year 3's, your true or false question is this one. You can use a number line in 2 different ways to find the difference between £3.40 and £1.50. Okay, so have a little look, see how you can use this number line to help you. What are 2 different ways? So think about moving along this way and then moving backwards. Okay, let me flip the screen back. Right, hope that helps. Good luck. Can't wait to see you work on Class Dojo.